All right, you see the title in the thumbnail, and we're about to get busy again with another Southern style dish. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a ground beef and potato skillet. Delicious. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go ahead and do a roll call. Back here we have our potatoes. Now I diced them up into smaller pieces like this. We have our ground beef, beef broth, onions, black pepper. I'm using some adobo seasoning here. I have a red bell pepper I'm gonna use. You can omit that if you don't want to, but it adds additional flavor. And plus I had it in my refrigerator, so I'm gonna use it. Chopped garlic, olive oil, smoked paprika, W sauce, garlic, and onion powder in this dish. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. To get started, we're gonna heat up our olive oil over medium heat. As that heats up, we're gonna add our onions, our red bell peppers, and we're gonna cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing them to soften. All right, so after those 3 to 4 minutes, we're gonna go in with our garlic. And we're gonna saute this garlic in here for an additional minute. All right, so after that minute, we're gonna add our ground beef to this mixture. And we're going to continue cooking this, and we're gonna break this apart as we brown our ground beef and get it cooked all the way through. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so after that 5 minutes, we're gonna season our mixture with our adobo seasoning here. Black pepper, garlic powder and onion powder, smoked paprika, and our W sauce. And we're just gonna get that mixed in real quick, get those flavors talking to each other. All right, once you've got that mixed well, you're gonna go in with your potatoes, and we're gonna get this coated in our ground beef mixture as much as possible. Once you get that mixed in, you're gonna go in with your beef broth. And we're gonna bring that to a boil. You wanna make sure you have enough beef broth where your potatoes are actually in the beef broth, not on top of each other, just like this. So adjust your beef broth as you see fit. So once that comes to a boil, like it is, we're gonna cover that baby up, drop our heat down to low, and we're gonna let that simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes until those potatoes are tender. All right, guys, so we're about 25 minutes in. We're gonna turn our heat off. I think we're good. We're gonna remove our top, and we're gonna get this baby mixed around in here just a little bit. Still got some liquid in there. I'm gonna test the potatoes just to make sure they're good. If I need to let them go for another couple of minutes, I can, because I still got some liquid in here, but I think we're gonna be okay, because I can kind of look at them, look like we're gonna be okay. But let me test them out. Oh man, wow, we are good right here. What I'm gonna do now, we're gonna remove this from our cooktop, head over to our cutting board, add some finishing touches, get it plated up, and over to quality control. All right, guys, so just to finish this off, you already know we're gonna add some of that green stuff, freshly chopped parsley. You can also add some green onions if you like green onions, that works as well. Guys, there you have it. Skillet, ground beef, and potatoes. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. All right, so we know the favorite part of the show where we bring our groceries to the front of the congregation. Man, look at these groceries. Oh man. Let's go ahead and dig into these, baby. Oh man. Oh man. The potatoes tender. They just melt in your mouth. God, how can you mess up ground beef and potatoes? The answer is, you can't. This one here, $5, guys. And yes, this is another one to add to your recipe list from AWE. And also, guys, don't forget, go check out the new website, allwingseverything.com or IJustCookALot.com. Either way, you're gonna end up in the same spot. So guys, until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.